Going paperless is such a smart move for you and your business. One of the most important advantages of going paperless is the cost savings. By digitizing your business or your papers in general, you can save on equipment for printing and storing your documents, as well as the cost associated with sending files to clients or friends or whoever. When I went paperless, it wasn't because of any of that stuff. It was just because I wanted to get rid of my printer. I wanted minimalism. I didn't want any paper whatsoever. I just didn't want to have this folder that I was moving around with all my important documents. Got sick of finding some stupid place to store a few paper documents. I hate paper. Going paperless is cleaner for your space, and one less piece of blocky equipment, the better. But it's also cleaner for the environment. When you reduce paper usage, you help conserve natural resources such as trees, water, and energy, because when you make paper, obviously you have to cut down trees, you have to process them, transport them, which requires a significant amount of water and energy. It was just weird to learn how much of an impact going paperless had just added up, from the emissions from all the vehicles for transportation, the methane gas from landfills, and just anything in between, when really all I wanted to do was just stop getting junk mail and get rid of my printer and just be more minimalist. It's always been my goal to just stop getting mail altogether, just completely zero mail. Turns out the paper industry is one of the largest consumers of fresh water in the world, and the chemicals used in the paper making process can pollute our rivers, lakes, and oceans. Another advantage of going paperless is the productivity boost it can provide. With the paperless office strategy, all your documents are available to everyone who ever needs them, internally and externally. This means you can avoid wasting time waiting for handoffs, the costs and time of delivery, and minimize the risk of losing files. Team members can also work on the same document simultaneously, so this streamlines any kind of content collaboration. And this is a huge efficiency step for teamwork. And last but not least, let's talk about security. Going paperless protects the data. It's crucial for everyone with the right management features. Risks associated with hackers, cyber attacks, they're all reduced. You can manage access controls, protect against data breaches with ease. Plus, with a digitized filing system, you'll have backup of your important files in case of disasters like fire, flood, or theft. If you are looking to clean up your life and not sure exactly where to start, click the link below and book a free call with me and we'll talk it over, see if I can help you build a happier life around you. From cost savings to improved accessibility and security, it's clear that there are many compelling reasons for you and your business to make the switch. So if you haven't already, consider going paperless and start reaping the benefits today.